Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted, and as you may have noticed, I've taken some of my videos and turned them into private from previous times. So I'm going to start out today going in a little bit different direction with my business. I've recently become a Mary Kay independent consultant, and I thought the first video on here to get us started is to show you what comes in the kit for this year. So I'm super excited. I got a regular kit, and I also got an add-on kit that shows the samples and stuff. So bear with me as I'm going to go through it. I've opened the top of it, but I haven't dug into it all the way to see what's in here. So the first thing laying on top is the lookbooks, which super excited to get them all ready to go. We also have a catalog. And this is just like a little overview of everything that you do as a consultant, all your business information and so forth. So I'm going to give that a good read. And then I have this. So a little piece of plastic on it. It says, "Hello, gorgeous." Oh, how cute. It says, "Welcome to your Mary Kay business. You are the reason Mary Kay Ash founded the company over 53 years ago and poured her heart into it for the rest of her days, and we are so proud you chose to share your heart with a new generation of women. With this starter kit, you can take the first step toward creating a successful Mary Kay business. Your time is now. And with Mary Kay and a sisterhood of friends and mentors by your side, today and every day can be your day." Oh, that's really nice. And it's a nice little card. Has a little banner in there. How cute is that? So that is a neat little thing to get in there to get started. And then on top is a big black bag. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what this looks like in more detail. It was a nice bag too, with nice handles. It says Mary Kay on it. Also says Mary Kay on the little zipper. And it is absolutely beautiful inside. I love florals of all kinds, so this is just perfect for all my business supplies. Got some nice pockets in the front, so I'll have no problem filling that up and doing my appointments. So that is awesome. And then, if I can get this part out, it is a box inside a box here. So give me a second, bear with me. See if I can get it out of this box. Always the funs of doing videos, right? It's like, how do I make this interesting without making it an awkward struggle when you're trying to get it out of the box? Okay, so we're just gonna go with here, flipping it upside down. And there we go. There's another box. We just moved, so I need some more boxes for donations and to get rid of stuff. So just throw that in there. So this box said, "If just one more woman today discovers how great she really is, it will be a great day. Mary Kay." Another one of her wonderful quotes on there. And this is really cool. Let me see if I can hold this up for you so you can see the welcome. That is a really nice thing to open up. It really does make you feel welcome and part of the family. And it says, "Today is your day" on front of it. So inside, of course, we have some more business. We have the success flyer. We have a ready, set, sell. Some information about Mary Kay Connections. This is where you can order your business cards and business supplies, which I actually already have my cards on order, so I'm excited to get those as well. And they actually sent me an extra catalog, so I have that. Okay, and then these are for putting in your trays for doing different color consultations. I know that. We get a nice binder. And this is one of the flip binders. If you're familiar with Mary Kay at all, these will go inside, and then when you do your shows and so forth with your clients, you can flip it to help you remember everything that you'd like to go over during the party. Oh, this is really nice. I love any kind of planner, so I'm excited to dive into this and see how that'll work for the appointments. This is a little container that has dry erase markers. And then it also has cards so that when you're doing your skincare classes and so forth, you can write people's names on them, and then you're able to reuse them. Always want to keep those classes small so you can give a lot of personalized attention. I have loved makeup and skincare from probably the time I could walk. So for me, it's exciting to be able to get together with people and help them find their best foundations and their best colors and just have lots of fun. The Miracles Happen, Mary Kay Ash story. This woman was amazing. She actually started her career in her mid-40s, which is interesting. So more to come about Mary Kay, of course, in future videos. And I chose Mary Kay board. So awesome. So I'll put that over here. And oh my goodness, there's lots of goodies in here. Okay, so also some plastic disposable trays to put in with your mirrors for your classes. My goodness, they gave all kinds of goodies. Wipes for cleaning your face off. Well, my client's cleaning their face off, of course. And then, ooh, we have a whole container of different goodies in here. My goodness, we have mascara wands, choosing your foundation, which is an amazing tool. But even though I do like to use these, it gives you a general idea of your foundations, which I'll go over this in a different video. I also like to swatch faces as well, because letting the foundation sit on there and dry a little bit actually helps give you a truer color. Then we have the eye applicators. Goodness, more of them. We have a couple of the looks, so these will be fun. I can pull these out and we can do little demonstrations of these colors as well. There's a couple of them, different colors. Okay, so I think that's all in there. It's just a collection of those, which is amazing. I love doing them because they have your blush and your eyeshadow and everything right there. And it's so awesome to do. So this is exciting. Getting exciting just pulling it all out and getting it together to share with you guys. Okay, put that over there. And my goodness, guys, I should probably just dive right down in this box because there are so many goodies in here. Okay, so we have translucent powder. We have an ultimate mascara, which again, lots of demos and videos are going to be coming on all this to share with you guys. I'm excited to share that with you. Let's see. We also have the amazing CC creams. I am going to definitely be doing more information all about the CC creams and letting you guys know how they work. Love CC creams, they're amazing. Oil-free eye makeup remover, you guys. Wait till you see this demo. This stuff is amazing. One of the big things that I like about Mary Kay. And then of course we have to have our 4-in-1 Time-Wise cleansers. More than likely this is for different skin tones here. Probably I would say probably one for dry and probably one for regular skin, but again, they're going to be in future videos, so look for those. We also have eye cream, Time-Wise, and we have day and night cream, which also goes with your Time-Wise Miracle set. Also absolutely amazing. Again, going to be in a future video, so make sure you look for that. Then we have mirrors, because of course for the skincare classes, we need to see what we're doing with our faces and put that on there. Of course, you have your sheets for your orders. There's a couple of those in here. There's another sign. And then another absolutely amazing product that I always love to share is this is for your hands. It's a satin hand set. So it's going to exfoliate and clean and moisturize. And this is amazing. This kit has been around for a long time. You can get it in a regular scent or you can get it unscented. So you have a choice. But I will be going over these in more detail as well, of course. Let me just quickly throw all this back in here. And y'all know that it never goes back in the same way that we bring it out, does it? So I'm just gonna, for now, until I can get back in my office here and get everything straight, I'm gonna go everything. Guys, this is an amazing, amazing kit. It's like $130 to get all these products to get your business started. So I did take advantage of the extra add-on sample pack And that was just $45 extra. So a total investment with the shipping and handling and everything like that cost me about $200 to get started. And as you see, there is a ton in this kit. So much goodness. Like, I can't wait to dive in and start sharing all this with you guys. So this is the size of the sample kit. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox that as well. And then you also get, well, of course, your order sheet is in there. You get another I Chose Mary Kay sign, another Start magazine. So I have 3 of those now. That's okay, can never have enough knowledge. Second Mary Kay Ash book, which is an amazing book, whether you sell Mary Kay or not, anybody in business, any woman out there, anyone that wants encouragement, this is an amazing book. So I may end up doing one of these for a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Samples. Now these I'm excited to try also, because I've heard lots of wonderful things about them. And these are the new hydrogel patches. So I'm going to be going over those with you also. And then Clear Proof, which is an amazing acne system. My daughter uses this. This has really helped with her breakouts and all. She's only 15. So she's super excited that I'm selling Mary Kay so we can get all these goodies. And then lots of Time Wise samples. Literally the whole bottom of the box is more Time Wise samples. One of our very popular sets to sell. Works really well. And then just a couple more little literature packages here. So that is not bad for the $45. Also included when you get your Mary Kay kit is a year of your website. And you can also get ProPay, which is how people can use credit cards and stuff on your site. And then they just have this written inside the box top there, if you can see it with the ring lights. So super, super exciting, you guys. Like, I cannot wait to start this journey with you. I know it's a channel shift a little bit from what I was doing before with the cooking and other videos that I had on there. I will still do some lifestyle stuff. I'm just going to be doing more beauty and confidence boosting type posts. So it's a little bit different direction, but I hope those that are already subscribed will continue to say subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed already, I would love to have you come along on this journey with me. So just be sure to click the subscribe button. And if you enjoy this video, click like, and I look forward to seeing you some more soon. Thanks, you guys. Have a great day.